Hi, Amy Sanders here. I'm excited to be with you today and talk to you about frankincense and the DIY frankincense salve. So frankincense is an amazing oil. I've always kind of taught, when in doubt, pull frank out. It's kind of just like a easy phrase, but that's because it does so many amazing things. The salve today is going to be great for skin. So whether you have hives or you have a rash, or maybe you're just dry skin, or even stretch marks, things like that, frankincense is going to be amazing for skin. Frankincense is also amazing for the mind. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, so it can help you with mental clarity, depression, even helps with Alzheimer's patients, and basically anything mind-related. Frankincense is great for, I already said stretch marks, but also scarring and any kind of skin impurities. So that's why we are putting it in this salve. And with this salve, you can literally mix and match these oils. So if you love the smell of frankincense mixed with lavender or some other oils, you can literally put them in the salve and it's not gonna change it or make it not work or anything like that. You can literally mix and match. It's gonna be great. But I do recommend to make sure that you start with frankincense, okay? So this salve is really, really easy to make. You're gonna only need a few things. You are going to need a cup of organic coconut oil. I got mine, oh geez, I can't remember where I picked this up. Maybe it was at Walmart or Target or I don't know. But anyway, just a big thing of organic coconut oil. You're also gonna need vitamin E oil. And I don't know why this is out because you do not need that one. But you're basically gonna need those things, frankincense, some beaters, and a cup. So I've already got my cup of organic coconut oil in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl. It's kind of sticky. Okay, so putting it in the bowl, and then you're gonna grab a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also something that's like going to be really great for skin. So that's why we're putting that in the salve as well. And then you're just going to put 10 drops of frankincense in it. And that went really fast. And then you are going to use your beaters and you're going to beat it. So right now it's kind of just like this lump of stuff, but we want to mix it all together. And when it's done, it's going to have some white peaks and it's just going to be this like really great smooth salve. So you are going to beat it with your beaters for between 7 and 9 minutes, and then it should be done. So I'm going to come up here and start beating it. And I will show you what it looks like when it's done. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so I'm done mixing it, and I don't know how well you can see this. Maybe I should use the spatula. But they just have kind of this like really buttery consistency, and then these white peaks kind of form. So it is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the airtight container and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here it is. It's in an airtight container. And the reason why you whip it so long is so that with the coconut oil, a lot of times it's kind of, when it's not in the fractionated like liquid form, it's kind of chunky. So you wanna make sure you're getting all those chunks out and that it mixes really well with the vitamin E. So anyway, this should literally last for months and months. It goes really, really far. And it's cheap. Guys, you can totally make this for your friends or family or whatever. And it's going to last them for a long time. And it literally costs you like the cost of a container, which I got this one for 82 cents. And then if you look at frankincense by the drop, it's like 30 cents a drop. So pretty dang cheap present, an awesome present that's gonna be like, what, $2 or $3? So totally worth it. I hope that you like it. I hope that you use it a lot and that you fall in love with it just the way I have.